Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Raysil Silleros, 38 years of age, 150 centimeters tall, and 52 kilograms. I am single with live-in partner. His name is Rondel Julina, and he is a businessman. We have 3 kids, all boys, ages 17, 4, and 2 years old. My father's name is Rolando Silleros. He is a farmer and he died last 2011. My mother's name is Celia Aligado Silleros and she is a housewife. I am a high school graduate with experience as a working student. I did some housework before I went to school like laundry, ironing, cleaning house, also gardening. I am also an ex-abroad from 2013 to 2016 at Kuwait, and my main duty was a babysitter. I am the one who sleep with them, feeding them, give them nutritious food, vitamins, and also I gave them some medicines if needed. And at Saudi Arabia, from 2017 to 2019, my main duties was work all around the house like ironing, wash dishes, washing clothes, or laundry, and also gardening. I am also the one who feed my baba's dog. I feed them from morning and also at afternoon. I'm the one who feed my baba's dog from morning and afternoon. And also I cook for my mama's Arabic food. And also, I know how to take care of elderly because in Philippines, I have a grandmother. I'm the one who take care of her, like give her some nutritious food, gave her massage therapy. She felt nice and she felt comfortable for her body. And also, I give her some medicines for her maintenance. To my future employer, I'm begging you to please choose me or select me as one of your domestic helper because this journey is a big help for my family, financially, for the studies of my children. I promise you to do my duty and responsibility as your domestic helper. I am trustworthy, obedient, helpful, caring, and loving children and also elderly. Thank you.